If you're looking to get out of your rental, unakomboa nyumba, and it's high time that you need to move to your house, Precast is the way to build, because why? You can actually build in 25 days.
Channel. Today we're checking out a 3-bedroom flat roof bungalow. It's actually a precast bungalow. But before we check it out, meet Pauline Wanjiru Karanja.
Hi guys, my name is Pauline Wanjiru Karanja. Karibuni kwa nyumba yangu. This is my precast house, our new technology. Yeah, I'm a caterer. My company name is called Sugars Catering Services. I'm based in Kiambu town. Yes, karibuni. So I decided to do a blue color on my house because blue is my favorite color. Yeah, there's no hidden artist. No, I just love blue. So I decided to do blue outside because inside the white. Yeah, this is an underground tank. It's 20,000 liters. It's made out of, it has membrane inside. Membrane is kind of paper-like, but iko na fiber ndani, so it can't even tear. Yeah, so it's 20,000 liters, and then the slab is done using the T-beams and the pillar blocks. Yeah, this is part and parcel of the precast. We started this construction on, end of November around 29th, 30th. It took only 23 days to make up the whole house. Yeah, the best thing about precast panel is a new technology. I was introduced by Amos Kibaru. Everyone who is following him, I think you know him. When he gave me the offer, I took it very fast because I really wanted my own home. Nilikuwa nimechoka na rent, by the way. Nilikuwa nimechoka na rent, so I took his offer very fast. The house is 75 square meter. Imekula tu kaland tu kadogo, kaland kadogo, so it's big. You might think ni kadogo, but it's very big. When you come inside, it's big. From outside, you also can tell by the look of the windows. It only cost me 1.85. Yes, million. Yeah, it's they're calling it affordable housing, of which I think it's affordable, by the way. Yeah, because with 1.85 and you have a 3-bedroom master and suite, for me it's out of this world. Yeah, it's a deal. So anyone who has like a small plot, you'd like kuhama kwa hizi plot in stress. So just take the shot. Yeah, because I think I would recommend it for anyone. Yeah. About the plumbing na stima zote, when the panels come up, mtu wa stima lazima akuwe on site. The plumber must be on site because that's when they do the wiring na sasa plumbing. Hizo wire zinaingiziwa juu. Like the panel is hollow, yeah? Yeah. So kwa hizo shimo lazima mtu wa stima aweke waya zake, mtu wa maji akam do the piping, so that now when the roof is being done, kila kitu is set. Stima is set, maji is set. Yeah, so that is the beauty about the panels. Then with the hollow hizo shimo, you know, sound doesn't travel through hollows, yeah? So somehow ni soundproof. Like huwezi sikia mtu wako. Yeah, huwezi sikia mtu wako kwa the next room. Like when you're here, the kids are in the bedroom, you can't hear when they're playing. Yeah, so I think panels are the way to go. Yeah. Hi Edna, karibu sana. Welcome to my home. Yeah, this is my sitting room.
Whoa, beautiful, and it's roomy, spacious, 75 square meters of interior space, but look at that. Notice the floor. They've installed mkeka wa mbao to give that wooden look. Of course, downlighters are a great addition to spice up the ambience and even accentuate key areas.
My open kitchen, which I'm about to set up in when I'm inside, of course. Yeah, hizi vitu ndogo ndogo zitaisha kama tuko ndani. Yeah, you can see the table, the kitchen table is made out of precast also. So you don't need to go out of the way to buy other materials for your kitchen. Yeah, so yes, as I said earlier, precast is the way to go. Yes. Yeah, we have a small pantry there. Yes.
And what is that?
We have a back door.
You're going to have like a laundry area?
Yeah, we'll have a laundry area here. Yes.
Spacious.
It's very spacious. Yeah.
Yeah, you're crazy.
Yeah. We come to the corridors. This is our sharing bathroom for the kids. It's also done out of the precast. These are normal tiles. Yeah. This is mkeka wa mbao. It's not slidey, so yeah, it's a bit rough. If you compare with this, yeah, it's rough. So you can't slide, like huwezi anguka kwa bafu. Yeah.
Notice the niche, hexagonal tiles, beautiful. To think that this house was completed in 23 days. Mind blowing. What do you think? Stay tuned all the way till the very end. I'm going to talk to Amos of Flow Deco to tell us more about the pros and cons of, precast homes. And also because I've got an exciting offer just for you. I've partnered with Flow Deco to bring you an exclusive discount code. If you mention my name, Edna, just tell them that you watched on my YouTube. You'll get a discount. This is the first bedroom, and the first thing I'm noticing is that beautiful windows, because good windows in a house is essential because of the natural light and views, scenic views like we are in Kikuyu. Yes. Beautiful space. Inbuilt wardrobe straight ahead. They've started moving in. Actually, we're not going to be checking out bedroom 2 because that's where they've stored most of their stuff. And stepping inside, look at that. Again, downlighters. Yes, giving that cool ambience. Inbuilt wardrobe unit. It's master en suite to the primary bedroom. What do you expect? And stepping inside, notice the niche. It's a good sized washroom that actually allows you to move freely and enjoy your time in the washroom. When you're taking a shower, easily navigate. Yes, that's it. Now let me take you to the factory. We meet Amos of Flow Deco. The guys have constructed this beautiful flat roof bungalow. To tell us more about the pros and cons, don't forget to use my discount code if you happen to visit their offices, the factory, the sites and all that. Not specific in terms of the percentage, but you get the point. Okay, meet Amos.
What's up, people? This is Ekibaro Floor Decor, a precast concrete manufacturer, a floor cover specialist, and today I'm going to showcase you what we do at the factory here in Gitaru, Kikuyu. So guys, did you know we can manufacture a house fully from the factory? Yes, we can. And this is called a precast concrete. And what is a precast? People wonder, what is precast? Precast is concrete that is manufactured from a mold. If I want to have a wall, I can precast a wall from a mold, and that wall can be taken to the site to be assembled. So we at the precast concrete yard, we manufacture various components for building a house under controlled environment and fully 100% tested. So here in our factory, we do manufacture precasted wall panels. So these are the wall panels. We cut them to the specific height that you need. If you're looking for a 2.5 meter height house, if you're looking for a 3 meter height house, then this is a product. This precast product is ready plastered. You know one thing, guys, we plaster our walls so that we can have a smooth passage to paint our houses. Why not have a wall that is ready plastered and eliminate all that hassles? So this is what I'm talking about today on this platform, and glad you'll be loving this content going forward. So the panel are hollowed sections. So this hollow section has three purposes. Purpose number one is to run the services in there. What are the services? My conduit pipes, my plumbing pipes for my water channels. I don't need to hack like the way we do with the traditional. And I'll be talking more of the traditional walling. We're so used to using the Darugo stones. And the Darugo stones, guys, is you have to use a lot of mortar. When you're using this product here, it's zero mortar. So back to the hollow section. So for the hollow section again, it acts like a sound insulation. It's an acoustic, so the sound will not be passing through this hollow section. We all learned about the vacuum section, so the sound here is inhibited. So the hollow section also is more structural, and then the hollow section reduces the dead weight of a wall. So the wall are light, yet very strong. People asking me, "Hey, where's water kuja wanipate?" I'll tell you guys, they are enforced already. And we use them for the walls, and we also use them as infit for the floor slabs. So let's talk about the floor slabs. So when it comes to about the floor slabs, we use a product called pre-stressed T-beams. They have a locking mechanism. They click and lock, and you have a foundation. So here at this factory, not only are we manufacturing the precasted walls, we also manufacture the foundation slabs, going from down up to upper floors. Our precast foundation, you only take 2 days to install. The walling, you take 2 days to install. The roofing, you take about 3 days to install. So we're telling you guys, we can build a shell within maximum 10 days. And the 10 days, you're going to save a lot of time and labor. And you know, guys, one thing, time is money. So don't let the fully take advantage of you to build for 6 months, because every day he comes to your site, you're going to pay them. Embrace the precast concrete. Is a way to go for your construction needs anywhere. So as we talk about the precast, we need to focus more on the cons and the pros. So I'm going to talk about the cons. The cons of precast: you need to reside near the factory. If you're not near the factory, then there are also going to be a transport surcharge to your location. The far you are, the higher the transport cost. During transportation, if you don't find the right transporter, you can incur some damages in damaged panels. So make sure your products are handled correctly by using the right transporter. We link you up with professional transporters at our factory so that you don't incur losses. The cons for the precast mostly is to do with transport costs and maybe the breakage. And the breakage, I always insist, if you're buying 100 panels, buy 2% more to factor the breakage. However, the pros are many. First of all, reduce time, less headache with interacting with fundis, and you have something called a predetermined cost. And what is a predetermined cost? A predetermined cost is a cost that You don't have to be ambushed to be told, hey, you know, that material that you bought is enough, kindly add. Or you find yourself, you bought extra materials that you don't actually need. So guys, if you're looking to get out of your rental, unakomboa nyumba, and it's high time that you need to move to your house, ulinunua kaploti mahali, Precast is the way to build, because why? You can actually build in 25 days. Kama umekomboa, unapeana notice and you can move out by end of the month. So these are the options that we have for finance. We're working closely with financial institutions to see if there's a way they can come on board and collect your rent money as you occupy your house. So the amount of money that you are paying for rent will now go to own your house. For instance, these houses are segmented to the finishes. The premium finish is called Pro Max. A Pro Max finish has all the beautiful finishes that you can find. In addition to that, it has a 20,000 underground precast membrane ton. It has a biodigester. However, the basic doesn't have all the amenities. It doesn't have the tank, it doesn't have the biodigester, and the basic finishes are just basic. So the basic finish is about 1.3 million. The Pro finish, 1.3 million in Kenya shillings. The Pro finish can go up to 1.95
for 3 bedrooms.
For 3-bedroom house. 3-bedroom house, 2 bath, 75 square meter plinth area. Is quite a big house. And remember, because the panels are very thin and 90 mm, you find the interior space is bigger, unlike the typical way that we build with the blocks or the Darugo stones. So if you're looking for finance, the option of rent to own is a very good one. So we're working closely to bridge that gap. And the amount of money that we are asking for a 3-bedroom house is very, very within the budget of many of you who want to own a house today. So we are a one-stop shop. And what does that mean? We manufacture houses. So we manufacture a house here. And this house, the only job that will happen at your site is just assembly work. And you save the cost on labor. And not only that, we also provide beautiful floor covers. You know, the Kiambu, the Pargo, the Mammalium, linoleum, the safety vinyl for your bathrooms. All these are under one roof. So, guys, talk to Floor Deco Outlet today. Let's sort your housing needs. We are in the affordable segment units. The government is doing its own way, and we are doing our own way to bridge the gap. So we're all working together to make sure that Kenyans have beautiful homes to own.
And yes, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching the video all the way till the very end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. This house was done by Floor Deco Kenya, and if you happen to visit their offices or factory, don't forget to mention my name and use my discount code, okay? That's it. Catch you later on the next one. Cheers and bye-bye.